Hello, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make this cover button without making use of the cover button machine. So we'll be making use of the cover button, a thread, scissors, and either a candle or the glue gun. Either of them is okay. So if there's light, you can make use of the glue gun, and if there's no light, you can make use of a candle. So let's get started. So you have to pick your fabrics, insert the cover button plates inside the fabric and twist it very well. Okay, after twisting very well, you've gotten your desired results. Next thing you need to do is take your thread and tie it very tight. So I'm tying it. Let's see. Currently tying it. So tie it very tight. So after tying, you take your scissors and cut the excess fabric and thread. So cutting it off. Cut it off. After cutting it off, so this is where it is. If you are making use of the candle, you get your glue wax, your candle wax like this, and then you insert it on your candle. I'll be making two. I'll be showing you how to make use of the candle and the glue wax, and the other one with the glue gun. So this is the first one. I'm making use of the candle. Yes, it is hearts. Attach it. Attach it as much as you want. And then you get your plates. Cover it and press it very tight. You can see your cover button is set. So let me show you how to do the other one with the glue gun. So I'm moving to the next fabric. You get your cover button plates just like the first one. Twist it very tight. Very tight. Get your thread, tie it. Tie it very well. After tying, you get your scissors just like what you did in the first one. Cut your excess thread and your excess fabric. But this time around, we'll be making use of the glue gun. You can see what I did with the glue gun. And then you get your cover. So I'll be doing this for the rest of cover button. So even without having a cover button machine, you can design your own cover button from the comforts of your home. Okay. You can see the outcome of the cover button. You can see how beautiful it is without the use of a cover button machine. Please like and share my video. See you in my next video. Bye.